Okay, folks, what I want to talk about today is I had a customer the other day and he says his air handler is not working, it's not cooling. So we go to the property and we realize that the blower wheel inside the blower housing is not working. And what happened, the nut that holds on, the nut here that holds on the blower wheel has sheared off. So what was happening, this had come loose and it was banging against the blower housing. So what we had to do was take this apart. So real quickly, let me just show you how easy this is. I'm going to take this motor out real quick, and I'm just going to show you something. And this is for demonstration. We're not going to use this motor again. So what we had to do is we had to pull the motor out of the housing. Okay, here's the motor out. Now what happened on the other motor was this here had sheared, okay? So what we had to do was take out the motor housing itself. Here's the new one. So what I'm going to do is, where's my drill?
Right there.
What I'm going to do is show you what I've done here. I tuck. One thing I want to show you is how these things come apart here, okay? If you take these nuts out right here, bend these back. This one here has to come all the way here. This particular unit is a Goodman. I've got a Goodman, and I have a Carrier, and I have a train here to demonstrate. So I'm going to take this out. And this is a static plate. Okay, and then all I do is just raise this out. That's how you take out a blower wheel out of a blower housing, okay? A lot of times you don't have to buy the housing for the blower wheel if this part shears. This is the part that holds on the shaft of the motor right here, okay? Here's what we found the other day, and I actually used a drill and a tap, so I had to go and drill a hole into the bolt, and I backed it out, okay, with the left-hand turn wrench. Here's just what the old piece looked like right here. Let me give you a little bit more of a demonstration. Here is one that I pulled out of this motor. You see this here was a Carrier. Okay, I just want to go ahead and show you what I've done here. And real quick, I'm going to show you, this here's a Goodman motor also. Goodman, same thing, I'm just going to take the bolts out. This one here is an older model, so you didn't have to do that. But you can see how this motor would come out. So, folks, what I've done here, I just demonstrated if you get into a situation where the motor blower wheel itself is all sheared off and you've got a problem with the nut, and maybe your last technician or somebody came in and over torqued it, or maybe it rusted in two. You don't have to replace everything. You can take these things apart, okay? It takes a few minutes. I know that I've done this fast, but I'm just trying to save you money, okay? If you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. Thanks.